Whoa! Look at all the fun things those kids are doing. They're running around, listening to music, smelling yummy snacks, and touching everything they can get their hands on. It's like they're using superpowers. Hi, kids! Did you know that your body has 5 amazing senses that help you explore the world? These senses are like superpowers that let you experience everything around you. Get ready to wiggle your noses, clap your hands, and shout, "Hooray!" as we go on a fun adventure to learn all about our 5 senses. Open your eyes wide, my friends. Take a deep breath and get ready to explore the wonders around you. That's your sense of sight working its magic. It helps you discover the beauty and details in everything you see. It lets you see all the beautiful colors of the rainbow, from the vibrant reds to the calming blues. Read fun stories in books and dive into adventures with every page you turn. And spot amazing creatures like butterflies fluttering by, each one with its unique patterns and colors. Imagine all the shapes and sizes you can see, from circles to squares and everything in between. From big, tall trees that reach the sky to tiny little ants that crawl on the ground, your eyes are like cameras, capturing all the amazing sights around you. Every moment becomes a memory. Can you point to something blue? How about something round? Look around and see what you can find. Your amazing eyes help you learn and understand the world around you. They are your windows to endless discoveries. Wow! Did you know that eagles can see much farther than humans? Their vision is truly extraordinary. They can spot a tiny little mouse from miles away. That's some super sight. Imagine having such powerful eyes. Now, let's listen closely. Can you hear that? That's your sense of hearing. Our ears are like magical funnels that collect all the sounds around us. From the happy melodies of music to the contagious sound of laughter, our ears bring us joy and help us connect with others. Ding dong, that's the doorbell. Wee woo wee woo, there goes the fire truck. Our ears help us stay safe by warning us about important sounds. Now let's play a fun game. Close your eyes and listen carefully. Can you guess what sound this is? That's right, it's a...
Chapter 3, Sense of Smell. Get ready to sniff, sniff, sniff. Our noses are amazing tools that help us experience the world in a unique way. That's your sense of smell in action. Our noses are like super sniffers that help us explore the world of scents. From the fresh smell of rain to the aroma of your favorite food, our noses are always at work. Take a deep breath and smell those beautiful flowers. They smell so sweet and fresh. Flowers aren't just pretty to look at, they also have wonderful scents that can make us feel happy and relaxed. Now imagine the warm, delicious smell of freshly baked cookies. Yum! That smell can make your mouth water and remind you of happy times in the kitchen. But hold on, sometimes our noses warn us about stinky things too, like smelly socks. Wow! It's important because it helps us avoid things that might not be good for us. Our sense of smell helps keep us safe and lets us enjoy all the wonderful aromas around us. From the smell of fresh cut grass to the scent of your favorite meal, our noses are always busy. Now close your eyes and take a big sniff. Can you guess what you're smelling? It's a fun way to test your super sniffer skills. Sense of taste. Yum yum yum, it's time to explore the wonderful world of taste. Get ready to embark on a delicious journey where every bite is an adventure. Our tongues are like taste bud adventurers, ready to discover all the yummy flavors. They help us enjoy every meal and snack. Imagine taking a bite of a sweet, juicy strawberry. The sweetness makes your taste buds dance with joy. Or how about a tangy sour lemon? Pucker up. The sourness can make your face scrunch up, but it's all part of the fun. Our tongues can taste sweet, sour, salty, and even spicy things.
You ever tried salty potato chips? The saltiness makes them so addictive and tasty. Or maybe some spicy chili. The heat can make your mouth feel like it's on fire. Our sense of taste makes eating so much fun. Here's a fun experiment you can try at home. Hold your nose closed and take a bite of your favorite food. Notice anything different? Can you still taste it as well? It might taste a bit bland or different. That's because our sense of smell helps us taste our food even better. Smelling the food enhances the flavors and makes eating more enjoyable. Chapter 5. Sense of touch. Let's get touchy-feely. Our skin is like a giant sensor that lets us feel the world around us. Imagine petting the soft, fluffy fur of a kitten. So cuddly. Now, feel the rough bark of a tree. Wow, that's bumpy. Our sense of touch lets us experience different textures. We can feel if something is hot or cold, soft or hard, smooth or rough. It helps us stay safe and explore the world in a whole new way. Did you know that octopuses use their tentacles to feel just like we use our hands? They can even untie knots with their amazing tentacles. Outro, wow, we learned so much today. Our 5 senses help us see, hear, smell, taste, and touch the world around us. Remember, our eyes help us see all the beautiful colors and shapes. Our ears let us listen to music and funny sounds. Our noses help us smell yummy treats and warn us about stinky things. Our tongues allow us to taste all sorts of delicious flavors. And our skin lets us feel different textures. Which one is your favorite? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos.